In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. We have opened the spreadsheet. Under the View tab, we'll find formula bar. Just tick this button and formula bar will appear. This is called name box. It lets user know where the formula will appear. This is called formula box. Here we need to put the formula. We have some order quantity and unit price. We need to calculate gross profit for each order ID. So here gross profit will be just the product of order quantity and unit price. Place the cursor in the formula bar, press equal sign and choose appropriate function from the drop down menu. Here we need to choose the product function because gross profit will be the product of order quantity and unit price. Here number one will either be the order quantity or unit price. We just press B to cell, and in the number 2 box we'll press C to cell. Press OK. That's it. We have found gross profit for first order ID. Take the benefit of fill handle and get gross profit for each order ID. Apart from that, formula bar has other functions too. If we have a large data set and we need to know whether an active cell is just a number or some kind of function, so just place the cursor on any active cell and use the arrow key to identify the cell types. So here 14 is just a number, 11 is just a number, but 154 is just it is not a number, it's a function. That's it. This formula bar is hugely important for Excel users. Thank you for watching this video.